Now we will get into chapter 3, trading. Trading chapter has complete details and complete picture about the trading systems available and the network systems that are provided by National Stock Exchange. Initially, during trading systems were introduced, it was an open outcry system. Later, need system was introduced on NSE platform. Initially, the open outcry system, which was in practice, had lot of inefficiencies. First, let us try to see what are the features of this open outcry system. In this open outcry system, the brokers or the traders come on to the trading ring of the National Stock Exchange and they place the orders orally, and once the orders are matched by a counterparty, these orders were being executed. It has lot of inefficiencies, lot of problems on trading volumes transacted and even on the trading hours. In this, they had to find the matching not only for the orders quantity and the price, and once this matching is done, the order used to be executed. It had lot of practical issues with regard to finding the matching and had a heavy time consuming aspect in the trading system. Later, a new system has been introduced, which is an online, fully automated National Exchange automated trading system. This is a screen based trading system. This has been introduced to provide efficiency, liquidity, transparency, to enable the traders to place orders online through the network system. Later we will be discussing about how this network system has been established in the NEET platform. Under this system, a trading member can punch his requirement or place his orders with respect to the security he is looking for, the quantity he is looking for, the price he is looking for, into the computer through the NEET system. Once these orders are placed in this particular system, the transaction is executed as soon as it finds a matching. Suppose we are placing a buy requirement, or popularly we call it as buy order, where we bid for our requirement, and once we place this particular order, let us say I want to place an order to buy ITC 100 shares at 200 rupees. Now this is my bid. Now once it finds a matching in the trading system where another seller who has placed a similar order with a similar price will be matched with my particular order, and the order is got executed. This is how the system works. Here in the NEET system, the buyers and sellers both come together in the NEET system, and once the terms are matching, they are executed. The system followed here for order matching is time and price priority. Now the example which we have discussed, ITC 100 shares at 200 rupees is the order I have placed. Now other people also would be placing similar orders. They also would be placing order to sell 100 shares at 200 rupees. Now if there are two people who have placed a similar sell order, the guy who places the order first, his sell order will be executed to my buy order. This is what is called time priority. Now price has been common in both the seller's orders. Since the person who has come first, his order will be first executed to my buy order. This is how time and price priority is followed in the NEET system. The system was readily accepted by the market participant, and in the very first year of its operation, NSE became the leading stock exchange in the country. Technology has been used to carry this particular trading platform to the premises of the broker office. Earlier, the orders were placed and executed only in the trading ring of the National Stock Exchange. With the introduction of this computer-based, screen-based trading system, the platform has been even provided in the offices or premises of the trading broker's office. This has helped for the brokers to take the orders from the clients and place orders into the NSE system through this NEAT system from their office itself. This has provided lot of convenience of placing orders from any part of their office within the country. Secondly, a step forward has been done where this trading platform has been further sent to the PCs of even the investors. This has made lot of difference to the people who want to trade on the National Stock Exchange. This system, which is in very popular use even today, continue to be in future transactions as well, are now being used through the PCs of the domestic applications. Today, any person sitting in any part of the India or any part of the country using the internet system can log on to the NEAT system in NSE through the broker line. This has reduced lot of trouble to the investors, not only in terms of placing the orders, even in terms of understanding the market moves or understanding the market behavior using this particular system which has been established in the PCs of the investors itself. Now, anyone sitting at their home can place their orders through the system provided, where orders are placed and these orders are sent to the broker's end. From the broker's point, the orders are further forwarded to the NSE trading platform. This has been a remarkable change in the trading system. This has increased not only the activity in the market, also given lot of transparency, speed, accuracy and confidence on the system, where the orders placed are not only clear to the investor who has placed the order, also the order execution and status of the orders also are clear in a millisecond time frame. Now, there are two types of orders which are taken into consideration in this particular NEAT system. One is called the active order, the second one is called passive order. What happens in an active order? Now, when I placed an order to buy ITC 100 shares at 200 rupees, it goes to the NEAT system and the trading platform at NSE. Once it reaches the trading platform, it starts trying to match the sell orders with the same price and the quantities. If the order is immediately executed, this is considered to be in the active state of the orders. That's why this particular order is a active order when it is placed initially. Suppose the order which I placed for ITC 100 shares at 200 rupees do not find any matching for the quantity, for the stock and for the price. It will fall in the queue system, where the orders remain unexecuted because of the reasons that it is not able to find any sort of matching in the order system. So it is forming in the queue, and this particular order converts itself from an active order into a passive order. So these are the basic differences between an active order and a passive order. Initially it will be active order. If it matches, it gets executed and completed. If it doesn't find any matching, it will become a passive order and fall in the queue. The trading network. Now you can see a clear trading network which is established at NSE. It has a NSE mainframe which is connected through the satellite and linked to the terminals of the brokers, which are placed at the premises of the brokers. So there is a VSAT connectivity which has been done to ensure faster, speedier transfer of data and information systems, so that the transactions are carried out very fast at a very high speed. And not only the orders are being transmitted through this satellite network, it is also used to send the data of the market activities to the premises of the brokers, so that the activity that is taking place on the NSE mainframe is being viewed by the brokers' systems which are placed at their premises. Now let's try to see how this mainframe system works. The mainframe computer runs on a fault tolerant Stratus mainframe computer system which is placed at the stock exchange, that is NSE. Brokers have terminals at the premises which are connected through VSAT or leased lines or through modems to this particular NSE mainframe. Next, an investor informs the broker to place a particular order on his behalf. Now what does the broker do? The broker enters this order through this system which he has at his premises, which is connected to the NSE mainframe. Once this order is placed, which has a Windows NT network and sends signal to the satellite via VSAT, leased lines and modem. This signal is directed to the mainframe computer at NSE. A message relating to the order activity which has been placed by the broker is broadcast to the respective member from the NSE mainframe. The order confirmation message also is broadcast once it is executed immediately to the PC of the broker. This is how the orders are being transmitted and how the orders are executed have been confirmed to the broker. This order matches with the existing passive order, otherwise it waits for the active orders to enter the system. That is, when these orders are placed by the broker, it tries to find a matching in the NSE mainframe. If it finds this matching, order gets executed either with the active orders of the counterparty or the passive orders which are in the queue in the NSE mainframe order book system. Once this matching is completed, as indicated, the broadcast of this confirmation of the orders are sent to the respective members. The trading system operates as indicated on a strict time and price priority. All orders received on the system are sorted with the best priced order getting the first priority. That is, if I am placing an order to buy at 200, another person is placing order to buy at 201. So 201 will become the best priority, it will be given the first preference, because the seller always would like to sell at a higher price, the buyer always would like to buy at a lower price. The best bidder who is placing a best price, that is the best higher price among the orders placed, will get the first priority. This is how the order matching takes place. Orders are matched automatically by the computer using this time and price priority. Not only matching is perfect, it is transparent, objective and very fair. The trading system provides tremendous flexibility to the users in terms of orders that can be placed on the system. Several time related that is orders placed on immediate or cancel basis. Another price related, buy or sell limits or stop loss orders, or volume related, that is disclosed quantity. Conditions can be easily built into the order system. The trading system also provides complete market information online. That is, you can see what orders you have placed, what orders you have executed, what is the market conditions at a split of a second, updations on the NEAT trading system. The market screen at any point of time provides all this information. In addition to that, the total order depth in a security, the best 5 bids, that is the buyer's orders pending. Not only that, even the sell orders pending can be seen on the screen itself, which are updated real time. This will help the trader to accordingly place his orders. In this system, you can view the best 5 bids. You can view the quantity traded during the day for that particular security. You can see the high of the day for the security, the low of the day for the security, and the last traded price for the security in the real time. Investors also can know what happened to their orders immediately after placing the orders in this particular trading platform system. Thus, the NEAT system, which is National Exchange for Automated Trading System, provides an open electronic consolidated limit order book, that is OECLOB. This is the order book which is followed in the NEAT system. Limit orders are orders to buy or sell shares at a stated quantity and the stated price. If the price quantity does not match, then the limit order will not be executed. This is because if I place an order to buy ITC at 200 rupees, if I don't find any orders which are matching this 200 rupees, the orders will not be executed. The term limit order book refers to the fact that only limit orders are stored in the book and all market orders are crossed against the limit orders sitting in the book. That is, if I place ITC as market order, that means I am telling the system you buy ITC at whatever market price prevailing. In such case, what happens? It will immediately try to find the immediate seller and then match the order. It doesn't have to stay in the limit order book. It finds order matching immediately because we are willing to buy at the current prevailing market price. So there is no question of the order getting into passive mode. It will be remain in active mode and then get executed immediately. Since the order book is visible to all market participants, this is termed as open book. That is why it's called open electronic consolidated limit order book. Let's now try to see the advantages of this unique screen based trading system. It electronically matches orders as indicated on time and price priority. This is a nationwide online fully automated trading system. It enables all the market participants, irrespective of their geographical location, to trade with one another simultaneously, improving the depth and liquidity of the market. It allows faster incorporation of price sensitive information into the prevailing prices, thus increasing the informational efficiency of the markets. That is, all the updates are taking place on real time in this particular screen based trading system, which enables the investors and the participants to take corrective actions based on the developments that are taking place during the market hours and after the updations of the changes either in the fundamental or in the technical scenario of the stocks of the market as a whole. Let's try to get into some more details about what is this NEET system, what are the features available in this NEET system, what are the facilities which we can use for doing our transactions on the NEET system. NSE is the first exchange in the world to use satellite communication technology for the purpose of trading. Its trading system, which is called as National Exchange for Automated Trading, is a state-of-art client-server based application. At the server end, all the trading information is stored in memory database to achieve minimum response time, maximum system availability for the users. It has got an uptime record of 99.7%. For all trades entered into the NEET system, there is uniform response time of less than 1 second. That is, the system is not wasting time, it is trying to execute everything fast and at a very high speed, which allows more time available for the purpose of transactions in this particular NEET system. All quantity fields, when you place this order in this particular NEET systems for the securities, are indicated in units and the prices are quoted in Indian rupees. The regular lot size and the tick size for various securities which are traded in this exchange are notified by the exchange from time to time. This NEET system, when you log on, when you want to look at the markets or transact, when you open this particular NEET system, that is when you activate the NEET system, the first screen which will be visible in this particular NEET system is the logon screen. When you want to log on the screen, there are certain details the screen will display. One is the user ID, the trading member ID, password, new password. In this logon screen, these few features are displayed which we need to enter to log on to the NEET system. In order to sign on to the system, the user must specify a valid user ID provided by the exchange, also the valid trading member ID and the corresponding password. A valid combination of user ID, trading member ID and the password is required to access this particular system. Now let's go one by one. First of all, let's discuss about the user ID. Each trading member, that is the brokers, can have more than one user who is using this particular system from their premises. In such a case, exchange provides a unique user ID for a individual users or different users within the same trading member group. This user ID is unique for each user and this is provided by the exchange, and the number of users allowed for each trading member is notified by the exchange from time to time. That is, how many user IDs can be provided in this particular NEET system to the trading members is being announced or notified by the exchange from time to time. Suppose exchange says we provide 10 user IDs, the trading member need to limit himself for that particular 10 user IDs only, and all these 10 user IDs will be unique. That means 10 different users in that particular trading member group can use this particular NEET system which is provided to the trading member. Let's come to the trading member ID. Trading member ID is the broker ID. This will be also unique, and this is only one individual trading member ID provided for one particular trading member, that is one particular broker. The broker can be, for example, Motilal Oswal. Let us say Motilal Oswal is a trading member, so he will be having this trading member ID provided by the exchange. This will be common for all the users in the Motilal Oswal trading member group. Now, let's say there are 10 users in Motilal Oswal. So 10 users will be given unique user IDs, but for all these 10 users, the trading member ID will be common, which pertains to the trading member ID provided to Motilal Oswal by the stock exchange. That means trading member ID remains common, user IDs change with the different users for the same NEET system applied in the trading member group. This ID, which is called the trading member ID, has to be used along with the user ID to log on to the NEET system. The trading member should request the exchange for changes in the names if they want so about the user IDs to the exchange from time to time and get a new user ID from the exchange. That is, if some of the users within the trading group changes, the trading member has to in turn inform the exchange for the changes of the users and accordingly take the permission or new user ID provided by the exchange. Coming to the password. The password is also unique. The default password provided by NSE is NEATCM, NEATCM. When you log into the first time, you need to give your user ID, trading member ID and password as NEATCM. When you use it for the first time, it will log on to the NEET system through this particular user ID, trading member ID and the password. After logging on to the NEET system, it asks for new password. So we need to enter a new password which need to be kept with the trading member himself as a unique password, and this password should contain 6 to 8 characters. When we create or when we provide a new password to the system, it needs to have a combination of characters and numbers not exceeding 8 characters. Only 3 attempts are provided for entering correctly. If the password is not entered correctly for more than 3 times, the system gets locked. We will not be able to access the NEET system. In such a situation, we need to provide a request letter to the exchange in writing, requesting them to provide a new password or for resetting the password to unlock the system. Once the new password is received, we can start using the NEET system once again. Now, log off screen or log off exit from this particular NEET application. On invoking the log off screen, the following options are displayed to the user: permanent sign off, temporary sign off, exit. During this permanent sign off, temporary sign off and exit, it doesn't allow for any inquiry or order placing during the market hours. Permanent sign off is a feature where it doesn't allow any sort of market updations visible in the NEET system. As the name suggests, a user can log off permanently from the trading system by selecting this option. The user is logged off and log on screen appears. In temporary sign off, it is a phase where the market updates take place but no action can be done by the user or any other person who is accessing this neat system. This is very useful for users when they are not in front of the system and disallows others to place any sort of orders in the neat system and misuse the particular system. This gets automatically activated if the order system, that is the neat system, doesn't function for more than 5 minutes. That is, when it is inactive for more than 5 minutes, it will get into temporary sign off mode. Now, when this is in temporary sign off mode, we can see the updates in the market, but as I indicated, no fresh orders can be placed or seen. Now, once this particular temporary sign off mode is existing, we cannot do any sort of operations. The user has to enter the password to resume the activities as a normal mode or to get into the normal mode. Again, if 3 attempts are made wrongly, again the user is permanently logged off from the neat system. In this case, the user has to log on once again from the beginning. The last option is the exit option. On selection of this option, the user comes out of sign off screen. That is, neat system permanently shuts down. If we want to again log in, again we need to activate the neat system, and again the log on screen appears. You need to give the user ID, trading member ID, password to again reuse the neat system. This is how the neat system is used to log on and to log off.